Here we have a typical example of a traveler with a backpack. But what's inside?
Hey, in this video, I'm gonna show you what's hiding inside my backpack. My setup, the office I work from as a nomad. I've been living this lifestyle for the past 7 years and I've learned plenty of things. Now I want to share them with you. So I hope that you're gonna learn a thing or two from what I'm about to tell you. Sit down, relax, and enjoy this video.
Welcome to my office. As you can see, the backpack can fit a lot of things, but let's start from scratch.
This is how the backpack presents itself when it's closed. There are 1 and 2 main pockets, 1 and 2 side pockets.
Inside there's obviously a notebook, my external screen, and plenty of other things. Let me show you the most important accessories.
Headphones. Remember to buy a pair of headphones that will not only noise cancel for you, that also cancel the noise of the room you find yourself in. So even if you're working from, let's say, a cafe bar, and there's the cafe grinder that is like very loud, they're gonna hear you properly. Cable bag. Cable bag is very important because otherwise your bag becomes a mess. Random cables, USB chargers, phone chargers, anything. Sometimes I don't really like that. The external screen is this low because it should be like at this height. So it's the same height of your screen. What I do is that I get my backpack, and since it's filled with all of the garbage, all of the cases and accessories that I showed you before, I can use it as a stand, like this. So I can have my screen at the same height of the other screen. I mean, you cannot do this all the time because you don't find always places that allow you to do this, but when you can, it's a real good hack, so keep it in mind.
Bro, did you know that if you're searching your flights on websites like Skyscanner, maybe in an incognito mode window, you're actually doing it wrong? Well, I made a video about that, so go check it out.
Listen to me very carefully because this advice is very important. The bag is always with me at all times with the things inside. I never use a luggage instead and I check it in the airplane. You know why? Because luggages can get lost. Let's say that in the best scenario you get it back, you could lose a day of work. So always bring the stuff with you, alright? External hard disk. I'm gonna be honest, I don't bring it with me around. I usually keep it somewhere safe because I have important data inside. So I don't want to risk to lose it, to ruin it, so I don't bring it with me all the time. Little extra, USB car charger. Many times you rent a car and this is not included, so you always have to go buy it. I just bring one with me in the bag all the time. You never know.
Bro, what about you? What kind of setup do you have? Let me know in the comments.